What is up, garden friends? My name's Jason from Jason's Gardens, and welcome to my garden. Alright, this is part 6 of building a garden. If you're new to my channel and everything, make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, follow the Instagram at JG_Nursery. So make sure you do that off the gate. Now, because like with part 4, as you may have already known, how I, instead of having the video straight out like that, I narrated telling you what I was doing. I'm going to be doing something similar with this video, but make sure you know that it's still going to be a hype video. Instead of making a part 6 and a part 7 with the footage that I have, I decided to combine that together and make 11. So the footage that you're about to see will be the episode 6 and 7. Making 11, it's still gonna be called part 6 though. Of course, you see by the title. One of the big things at the end, so make sure you watch this video completely through so you don't miss anything. Alright, enjoy the vid. Alright guys, so still processing making the garden right now. I just rather record it like this, just because I have my phone, easier to record with. But I'm gonna show you what we got so far that we got from the local, not local really, but I'll show you the plants. We got many bell peppers, maxi bell peppers. We got a few of those. And we also got some of these tomatoes. This is a determinate tomato, but these ones down here are all indeterminate. But this place has really good deals. It's a local place. Like, guess how much this costs? This is $2.50 for these 4 right here. Or $2.50, and it's really good deals out here. So this is where we at. But it has really good deals, and I've just been shopping and shopping and shopping. Of course, I have the plants growing at home, but then there's some that I rather just get like straight up in the ground because we kind of did start a little late, but I'm ready to get to it. And yeah, I just want to show you guys that. Look at this. I'm about to have to get a second cart. Amazing! Look at that rooster. There's a rooster all the way. Alright, so here's what we got. We got ourselves we got 4 mustard greens, 4 kale, and 4 this right here. This is collard greens. We got 4 of each. Really good deals to have it support a local business. And let's get on it. Yep. Keep on going where you are.
One week later.
Okay, I'm out here with my Nana, and my dad's gonna be coming out here soon. But we're doing a square foot gardening, which involves basically putting nails and then stringing it around so we can separate by square foot, so we can make enough beds with the space that we have here. So that's what we're doing right now. We want to nail these things up. If you don't know what square foot gardening is, well, I just told you. So wait, Nana, chill. All right. We're just going to speed by that and enjoy the transition. I'm going to do standing up like you said.
2 hours later.
All right.
Here. Go over here.
Oh, yep. Of course, I'm of course help him and record.
Hey, look, if I let you pay on my page, will I get paid? Or will I just get made fun of for numbers of reasons, a fee of defeating? If I sound like checks, do I get checks? Hey, or will I just get played? Checking mates, crate and barrel, buy a home, start a family. It's hard romancing when love is in a new state each night. And all our XX white, promise room and board in flight. I want to enter your mind, I want to the entire US of A. If I sign the page, don't.
All right. Since the other bed that we have right here, the thing is we don't have any more of those types of heavy-duty nails, so we're going to get that on a separate day. But since all the plants that we have should at least fill up some of the bed, so let's get to my favorite part, the planting. Let's go. Yep. You may be thinking, how dare I? I bought plants, but I didn't show you me putting them in the ground. Yeah, I know. So this is the secret part that I was talking about. Right at the end, I'm going to show you guys what we got planted in the garden beds and what we put into the other garden beds so far, along with the filling of now all the beds. This is what it counts to stick to the end of the video. Now look. See, now string this up. We did square foot gardening for these beds. Now look, down here in part 5 we planted our seeds. We planted seeds. And here they are, the cantaloupe and watermelon seeds. See them right here? Yep, these are the cantaloupe, watermelon, cantaloupe, watermelon, cantaloupe, watermelon throughout this whole row. And this one's just watermelon and such. And then, oops. And then this one's also watermelon right here. Look how many are coming up just from them seeds. So it's really great to see that. And let me show you the rest of this bed. This bed right here, the one that we, lots of things that we bought. This is some of the store-bought from the nursery. Look at this green pepper right here. It's small right now, but it's just like really cool to see that. Now right here, this is our row. This row is mustards. Yes, these are mustards. They're pollinated. Like look at them. They're all starting to flower up, and they're called florets, and they're really good to eat on their own, which is super cool. So just like look at them. They're just so. Now look at these collard greens right here. This one is getting nice and leafy. This is the powder stuff to keep bugs away. But look at this. This one's getting so big for this 1 square foot. We got the kale right here as well. All kale. Those are mustards right there, as you see. Oh, look at this one. This right here is another thing we planted. This was a bean plant. You may have seen it in one of the shots, and I didn't know how it was going to work out, but it has been growing foliage. I want to blow that out the way just so you can see it a little bit more clear. Look at it. It's growing new foliage right there, which is really nice to see. Collard greens, and mustards. And I'm going to show you guys around here. This is the zucchini. Look at them. Look at how big these zucchinis. Again, they're like taking up their whole little square. Look at them. Another mustards. Then we have I'm just really happy to see these zucchinis. They look so great. We got indeterminate tomatoes all through there. Or tomatoes. And these are more green and bell peppers, and like I showed you, the watermelon. Before I show you guys the other bed, I want to show you guys this. These are wild strawberries that have been growing. There's a good chance that you may have some wild strawberries growing in your backyard area and may think they're weeds, but they're strawberries. We also planted some potatoes. Look at these things. We just planted those in yesterday. If you follow the Instagram, you've probably already seen these. But got these big bags. They have this little peekaboo strap basically right here. So when the potatoes are ready, we can just go in there and pick them out. But yeah, they're growing really nicely. Didn't have too much of a plant shock from switching from those pots that we have over. Well, they're inside the tub. You guys, the watermelon right here. But look at this. I'm not even sure what this is, because here's the way we set up the garden. So me and my Nana garden in different ways. I'm more simplistic with it, like square foot gardening, making a lot with a space, labeling. That's just how I garden. But we did 2 beds where I do it the way that I wanted to do it, in the order that I want to do it. And then 2 beds is for my Nana to do it her way. And then this last final bed behind us, speaking of that, we filled all 3 of the beds now. All 3 beds are filled. Just 2 of them need seeds. Seeds in them, of course. But 2 of the beds, Nana gets to do her way. 2 of the beds, I get to do my way. And the final bed, we combine both ways. This bed right here is the bed that my Nana did her way. So let me show you how that's going. Specific. The way my Nana does it is that no labeling, just drop the seeds in, like just in rows, just sprinkle them all throughout them, and you'll know what they are when they come up. No labeling, no nothing, you'll know when they come up and start fruiting. That's her way of doing so. And they have been growing pretty well, actually. So I'm not even sure what this is. They look like just a darker version of the watermelon, so I'm not sure what those are. But here's what I can tell you. These right here, that's growing up in these little weed-like patches, those are kale. I'm pretty sure these are kale that we put in. Remember Nana's way? You'll know it when it comes up, it starts to fruit. And I'm also seeing that these beans, the beans, like all in this row, kind of simultaneously, just like bean. All 7, 8 of these are beans that popped up like very, very recently. Like today and yesterday have started like popping up. So this bed doing very well. Alright, that's gonna be the end of the vlog. Hope you enjoyed Building a Garden Part 6. Share, like, subscribe, share with everybody, comment, make sure you comment for faster uploads. This has been Part 6. Hope you enjoyed. And right now my Nana's outside, so guess what? Part 7's in the making. Have a great day. Much love. Peace. I'll see you guys. Woo! Bye-bye.